Zelado.com. The benefits of eating oatmeal every day. You'll discover the benefits of eating oatmeal in the following article. Everyone knows that breakfast is the most important meal because it fills you up with energy to face the day in the best way possible. Have you ever thought of why they suggest adding oatmeal to your first meal of the day? Well, read on to find out. The best benefits of oatmeal. It's depurative. Thanks to the huge amount of amino acids that it contains, it stimulates the production of lectin in the liver. This helps the body expel waste. Eating it is good for cleaning artery walls because fiber sets up a barrier in the fat deposits that build up in them, and that can cause a lot of health and cholesterol problems. It helps control blood sugar levels. This is great news for people who suffer from diabetes. You definitely have to add this food to your diet in order to improve starch digestion and keep glycemic levels stable, especially after eating. Improves digestion. Oatmeal helps reduce gallbladder acids, which also facilitates intestinal transit and prevents constipation. It also keeps satiety for longer, which is a good alternative for people who are going on a diet. It has very valuable proteins. There's a total of 8 essential amino acids in this food. Thus, it's a source of good proteins. This quality allows it to form new tissues in your body. Oatmeal is anti-carcinogenic. There are various studies on the properties of this grain as a protective force against cancer, a very common disease nowadays. This is due to the phytochemicals that it contains. Thus, we suggest that you eat it every day to reduce the possibility of contracting breast or colon cancer. It's good for your heart. This is due to its omega-3 and linoleic acid contents, known as good fat, which help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL. Oatmeal helps your central nervous system. Thanks to the B vitamins in oatmeal, it maintains and balances the functioning of the nervous system. It prevents thyroid problems, especially hyperthyroidism. This is because it contains iodine, a mineral that helps the thyroid gland function properly. This food also prevents osteoporosis. This is because it has the necessary calcium levels for good bone health and prevents demineralization. It helps you lose weight. For that reason, you should eat it on an empty stomach or with breakfast, along with skim or soy milk, orange juice, or nuts. Oatmeal is one of the best sources of energy, which is why we recommend eating it first thing in the morning or before midday, especially for people who work many hours or have to study for an exam. It's a huge ally in beauty treatments. You can take advantage of the properties of oatmeal besides just eating it. You can also use it topically, externally, with a moisturizing cream to turn it into a truly amazing face exfoliant. It's a lot cheaper than any other beauty treatment. How to eat oatmeal. These are the best ways to add this marvelous grain to your daily diet. Oatmeal smoothie: add an apple, banana, pear, milk, or yogurt, along with some tablespoons of oatmeal, to a blender and blend well. You can drink this delicious smoothie at any time of the day. Sweeten it with sugar if necessary. Pancakes: they can be salty or sweet, according to your preferences. Make them with a little bit of oatmeal and milk and then serve with vegetables, jam, fruits, etc. Oatmeal bread: this is a truly delicious whole wheat bread. You can add cinnamon and nutmeg to it. Don't forget to add yeast so that it rises in the oven. You can also add raisins, seeds, walnuts, chocolate, etc. Oatmeal cookies: they're great snack options. You can find varieties with cocoa, almonds, or walnuts. As an ingredient in salads, add diced onion, tomato, boiled potatoes, cucumber, lettuce, grated carrots, whatever comes to mind, and then a special touch, oatmeal. You should boil it, with salt, if you like, for 25 minutes, strain it, and rinse it with cold water beforehand. To coat vegetables and meat, instead of using breadcrumbs or flour, you can use this food to make eggplant, chicken, fish, meat, etc. escalopes. For breakfast, this is the most popular way to eat it. Put raw oatmeal flakes in milk or yogurt. Some people do it directly in orange juice. It will help you prevent constipation and will also give you a lot of energy. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thank for watching.